Hey there folks, this is Rocky Red Panda, your host of the Audio Show, bringing you another little product review. And this week we're going to be talking about the Ultrathin Foldable Keyboard by Jellycomb. So let's dive right into this keyboard. Now when you first pull it out, the first thing you're going to notice is size. This is actually about the size almost of an external hard drive. You can compare it in size just like so. It kind of fits into the palm of your hand. It is also so tiny that you can actually slide it into a jacket pocket and take it wherever you need to go. Now the keyboard itself has this lovely faux leather outing on the side there, and it's just nice. So why did I get this lovely keyboard to use with the iPad? So when connected up to the iPad, it folds open. This is what the keyboard looks like from the outside. From the inside, I should say. This is the outside, this is the inside. So when you take a look at this keyboard, it's better to use it on a flat surface because it does like the fold. There's nothing here to hinge. So let's talk about the good about this keyboard and why I absolutely love it. Because being an illustrator and having to take my stuff with me, like my iPad, to conventions, and of course my computer, this keyboard will allow me to leave my computer at home and just take my iPad. And it has this lovely connector button here at the top corner, which easily connects to any device with ease. You can also use it, say, with a Roku or any streaming media device as well that does support Bluetooth wireless keyboards, and of course with your Nintendo Switch, just to be cool to try with Animal Crossing. Now, let's talk about the good. Battery life. Let's get that out of the way. Battery life on this, about a day and a half, one single charge, depending how you use it. Now, if you use it pretty heavily, that's what it'll last. If you don't use it, it could last a little bit longer. What's also good, these little two strips here, these are magnetic strips. Closes it so it stays together, so when you're carrying it and it's portable, it will not get damaged. You have the charging port here off to the side, using the little old Android charger. Now, the bad. Well, let's talk about the bad. First, let's talk about the typing experience. So compared to a normal size keyboard, I wish I had one available, it is somewhat smaller, but not by much. You can get away with that. But the bad part is how they made the keyboard foldable. The hinge right here and the hinge right there. It splits the keyboard in half, and the hinge is super noticeable. It would have been great if they would have gotten rid of the hinge, but there's not really much you can do with that. Now the keyboard. You're used to a normal size keyboard. What they did, they split the keyboard in half, right down here in the center, just like they have this lovely hinge points there. Now, as I noticed earlier, you see, it doesn't lock in place. It just wobbles, doesn't lock in place. So if you're trying to, say, type while you're walking around like this, you know, it could fold and flop and it gets all over the place. So that's why I always recommend using this on the table. But the keyboard is not going to really bother people unless you used to both keyboards. For me, I only use, say, with my fingers, only one side, so it doesn't matter. Now let's talk about the click. Let's see, the brown dog went over to the market to get some food. It's quite loud, but with most keyboards you're going to get the click. If that really doesn't bother you, doesn't bother me, then I really wouldn't worry about it. But for some, they want something that's a little bit more quieter. Now you can buy this little device, the Ultrathin Foldable Keyboard, off of Amazon. They sell it for $25.99. Inside you get the user manual, and you also get the little connection to charge it. Now Jellycomb is an amazing company. They make wonderful products. This is one of many products they make. They make bigger keyboards. They also have a foldable keyboard that has a mouse trackpad on one side. They make Bluetooth mice, wireless mice, more keyboards than your eyes and brain know what to do with. But for the price range of $25, this is just about right for my everyday needs. I'm actually going to go and continue on with my work. Now, folks, if you like this tech videos, or if you like reviews and other reviews about lovely objects, and of course the artist show and everything, of course there'll be more reviews just like this. Make sure to click and like and subscribe. I honestly don't know where I'm going to point, so I'm just going to point. There. So, like and subscribe for more videos.